The window is the basic element of the application, within which diagrams are displayed to show the state of the controlled process. This video demonstrates how to create a window, configure its parameters, and add new panels. To create a new window, locate the Windows folder in the Application Explorer. Right-click on it and select Create Window. Rename the new window as needed. Click Create. To manually adjust the window size, drag the window's edge by clicking and dragging it. Alternatively, modify its width and height through the Properties panel. In the Properties panel, adjust the window's title and background color, which is only visible in Designer mode. The X and Y coordinates of the window's position can also be set when in Application mode. Additionally, a menu can be added to the window. Select the menu from the Properties panel. The menu will then be integrated into the window. The visibility of the title bar and entire window frame can be toggled. The window's position and size can also be fixed. You can disable window tools or change the appearance of window buttons. Hide all buttons, or only the maximize and minimize. Set the window as a background window so that newly opened windows will appear on top of it. For main window, set this option to true by double-clicking it. Topmost is the opposite of a background window and is used for pop-up windows. The window's initial state, such as normal, minimized, maximized, screen center, or parent center, can be chosen from the properties. Parent refers to the window from which the new window was opened. The default state is set to normal. The window can be set to auto-fit to screen size. Another property is keep aspect ratio. If set to true, the window will always maintain the same aspect ratio. Window's opacity can be adjusted for all panel and diagram in it. Choose whether or not to show the window in the taskbar. The last option is to make the window closable. If set to false, the window cannot be closed by the operator. To add a panel to the window, right-click on the window and select Add Panel. Rename the panel to Sidebar. Select the default diagram to display on this panel when the window is first time opened. Choose the diagram from the Properties panel. Set default parameters for the displayed diagram if needed. Modify the dock style using the Properties panel. If no docks or anchors are selected, the window will scale according to the proportions of the panel layout. This is particularly important in a web app, as each user may have a different window resolution. Select Left. The panel will dock to the left and occupy the entire left side of the window. You can adjust its width. For example, setting it to 200 pixels will fix its width in this value. Now, add another panel. Right-click on the window and select Add Panel. Change its dock style to Fill. This panel will occupy the remaining space not filled by the other panels. Rename it Main. Add the final panel. Rename this panel to Alarm. Set the background color to red. Anchor this panel to the bottom and right sides. Drag the panel to the bottom right. It will remain anchored to that corner of the window. To preview the window, right-click on it. Select Running and next option, Run. The window will display in the predefined position, based on the X and Y coordinates. You can resize the window. The aspect ratio will remain consistent. However, the sidebar will always have a 200 pixel width, and the alarm panel will stay anchored to the bottom right. Closing the window will return you to Architect mode. To edit the window again, return to the Main Window tab. To save this window, use the Ctrl+S shortcut. Alternatively, right-click on the tab and select Save. Thank you for watching.